All right, what's up, guys? So, getting into what happened today and how I found my trade. If you want to know any of these levels, it'll be in my Patreon right here. If you click right there on the image, you'll get my charts and the things that I'm looking out for. Where is it? There we go. 58.71. Watching this for either way, and we'll be looking for a bounce at 57.63. But I didn't take that. We didn't trend down today, so I kind of liked how we came into today because we opened literally right here. If you see 9:30 at the bottom, right? But that's not the candle that I took. It was more on the 5 minute marked out right here. What happened was we basically failed to go higher, and then once I realized we failed to go higher, I decided to take a short. Now, I know the chart was on SPY in the video, but in conjunction, I was looking at SPX as well. I know this isn't marked out on my Patreon, but what happened was I saw that we kept getting these multiple touches in the pre-market, and I was like, this might be something to consider. Doesn't mean I'm going to take a trade off of it, just I'm going to consider this. And then the moment that I saw we opened on SPX on this level, I was like, oh, I'm interested. And once you see right here, right, we opened, got below, got above, but didn't get any continuation. I was like, oh, shorts are looking real good right here. As long as we open below, I'm gonna go short. And I think in the video that's what you saw happen. I was like, wait, we're not going higher. We got like a little, almost like a spike below, like an instant reaction to go lower. I was like, okay, I'm hopping in. All right. So to reiterate, I found this level by seeing these multiple touches, marked that out, saw this action in the pre-market, marked that out, saw a failure to go higher on the 5 minute, and then decided to take a short. Now, I did one thing wrong and one thing unusual. I don't normally size three contracts unless it's something with really tight risk and I'm pretty confident in. Confidence coming from the failure to go higher, right? And the mistake that I had was that I added two more contracts on top of the three that I already had, which I never do five. I don't think I ever do four either. And once I realized that, I was like, oh, I'm in too deep now. Like you saw my average go down and I could potentially lose profits faster. I was like, okay, I need to exit out of this trade, which kind of luckily worked out in my favor because you could see we kind of just trended up afterwards. Um, yeah, so always kind of trim your profits right away. You never know what's gonna happen. That way, if it does come back on you, you have some profits to like cushion you out just in case if it does go against you. But yeah, that's essentially what I was looking for. Just what we were gonna do here, watching for this to go either way. Confirmation on SPY. Hopped in three cons, pulled out what $600. Boom, I'm done. I'm not looking for anything else. I'm not gonna lie, I was waiting for more, like almost like a break and retest of this, or even below, but we never got it. It just kept going, so I was just like, you know what? I'm done. I'm really satisfied with 4, 5, 600. Like I'm done. I don't need to do more. To stick around for what this 11 o'clock. Like there's no good moves happening. Like it's trending up. We're not getting any serious like candle movements like you see down here. Something you need to take notice of if you're learning how to trade. You want to jump in on like these clean movements as opposed to these wicks where they'll chop you up. Like they will chop you up. They will humble you real quick. So if you can walk away with a win first try, get out. You're done. Come back the next day or come back for the aftermarket. But I'm not gonna stick around for it. I'll wait till the next morning. But yeah, that's catch you guys in the next one. If you want my levels and analysis every day, it'll be on my Patreon. I'll put the link in the bio as always. Hit me up if you have any questions or want to learn anything or get any insight on my experience or perspective or why I decided to, for example, take a short when we had this strong green candle up, right? Like those are questions I would have when I first started. Like, wait, we look like we're going out. Why would you take a short? So, all right, catch you guys in the next one.